In a world where every swipe, every point, and every credit matters more than ever, one card has consistently captured the attention of savvy spenders and travel enthusiasts alike. But as the financial landscape evolves, so do our choices. Welcome to CreditWise USA, the place where we peel back the layers of the most talked-about financial tools, helping you navigate the complex world of credit cards, rewards, and financial freedom. Today, we're zooming in on a card that's been a hot topic among our community, the American Express Gold Card. It's 2024, and the golden allure of this card has faced its share of challenges and triumphs. But the burning question remains: is it still the crown jewel in the realm of rewards and luxury benefits? Or has its luster dimmed in the face of rising annual fees and changing consumer needs? Join me as we dissect the perks, scrutinize the drawbacks, and uncover the truth behind the American Express Gold Card's value in today's economy. From mouth-watering dining rewards to globetrotter-worthy travel perks, we'll explore every angle to help you decide if this card deserves a place in your wallet in 2024. First up, let's talk about the good stuff, the pros, and there's quite a bit to get excited about. All right, topping our list is the high rewards rate. Now, this isn't just any rewards program. We're talking about a whopping 4x membership rewards points on dining out. And yes, that includes your favorite takeout and delivery spots right here in the US. But wait, it gets better. For those of you who love cooking up a storm at home, you'll be happy to know that you can earn up to 4x points on the first $25,000 you spend at US supermarkets each year. And for the jet setters, you're looking at 3x points on flights, but only when you book directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. The flexibility of these points is a game changer. You can transfer them to a variety of travel partners, or if you prefer, redeem them for statement credits. It's all about making your spending work for you. Moving on to the valuable annual credits. This is where the Gold Card really starts to shine. Imagine getting up to $200 in Uber Cash for rides or eats. Then there's the $120 dining credit at select restaurants to sweeten the deal. Not to mention the $200 airline fee credit for those incidental charges on your favorite enrolled airlines. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of credits. And you're right. If you play your cards right, pun intended, these credits can significantly reduce the impact of the card's annual fee on your budget. Now, let's talk airport lounge access. This benefit is like your golden ticket to relaxation and luxury when you're on the move. With this card, you get complimentary access to Priority Pass select lounges, Delta Sky Clubs when you're flying Delta, and those coveted Centurion lounges at select airports. Whether it's sipping on a complimentary beverage or finding a quiet space to work, lounge access can truly elevate your travel experience. And we can't overlook the importance of travel insurance. In today's unpredictable world, having that extra layer of protection when you travel is invaluable. Whether it's a trip cancellation, a delayed bag, or an unexpected medical issue while you're abroad, the Gold Card has you covered. It's one of those benefits you don't realize you need until you really need it. Last, but certainly not least, the other benefits. This card is like the gift that keeps on giving. We're talking about access to the Global Assist hotline for those times when you need help in a pinch, purchase protection for your peace of mind, and an extended warranty that goes beyond what the manufacturer offers. It all adds up to a whole lot of value packed into one piece of plastic, or metal in this case. So, as we've seen, the American Express Gold Card is brimming with perks that can make your spending more rewarding and your travels more enjoyable. But it's not just about the benefits, it's about how these perks align with your lifestyle and spending habits. Now let's flip the coin and look at the cons. Because as much as we love the perks, it's crucial to understand the full picture before making a decision. And with the American Express Gold Card, there are a few points you'll want to consider carefully. First up, the high annual fee. We're talking $295. That's not chump change. For many, this fee is a significant consideration. It's like buying a premium membership to an exclusive club. You've got to make sure you're getting enough out of it to justify the cost. This means you really need to utilize all those credits and rewards we talked about earlier. If you're not someone who travels often or dines out regularly, you might find it challenging to make the fee worthwhile. Next, let's talk about the limited lounge access. Sure, the card offers some pretty sweet lounge benefits, but here's the catch. Priority Pass Select might not get you into some of the more popular lounges you're eyeing. And those swanky Centurion lounges, their access is restricted to certain airports. So if your home airport or your frequent destinations don't feature these lounges, you might feel like you're missing out on one of the card's key benefits. Moving on to the foreign transaction fee. In today's global village, a 2.6% fee on purchases made abroad can add up quickly. If you're a globetrotter or someone who likes to shop from international retailers, this could be a deal breaker. In a world where many cards boast no foreign transaction fees, it's a point worth pondering. Now, for those of you who love simplicity and cash back, the Gold Card's reward system might not be your cup of tea. The card rewards you with points, not cash back. It's all about those membership rewards points. While they're flexible and valuable for many, if you're someone who prefers straight cash back on your purchases, this card might feel a bit like a square peg in a round hole. And finally, the credit score requirement. To get your hands on this golden ticket, you'll need a good to excellent credit score. This means it's not just about deciding if you want the card, it's also about whether you qualify for it. For those still building their credit or repairing it, this could be a significant barrier. So there you have it, the cons of the American Express Gold Card laid out for you. It's not that these drawbacks are deal breakers for everyone, but they're definitely factors to consider. Remember, the best financial decisions are made when you have the full picture. With all this information, you're now better equipped to weigh the pros and cons against your own financial habits and goals. Is the American Express Gold Card the right choice for you in 2024? That's a question only you can answer. I hope this deep dive has helped you get closer to that decision. If you've got thoughts, experiences, or questions about the Gold Card or any other credit card wonders, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and often find your insights spark interesting discussions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CreditWise USA for more financial wisdom and credit card insights. Until next time, stay savvy, stay wise, and keep those financial goals in sight.